Alright, so big shouts going out to all the fine girls who came through to do the scope battle manner with us. Now, if you think you can do it better, do then share. You go even tag me for inside safe. Wavy Velly. You know how we keep it wavy. You go tag me at Original Velly on Instagram, at Original Velly on Twitter, also Velly on Facebook and YouTube. Now, we are truly excited and honored to have one of the topmost clothing brands in the country, talking about Nallem Clothing, partnering with us on the Wavy Velly. Big shouts going out to Nallem Clothing, one of the biggest clothing brands in the country right now, which means that Wavy Velly is on to another level. The stakes are now high, my guy. So henceforth, the winner of Wavy Velly will be walking away a whooping 200 Ghana cedis shopping voucher from Nallem Clothing. Okay guys, so here's the interesting part. Now, we are personally going to follow the winner to any of the Nallem stores to pick up his or her prize worth 200 Ghana cedis. So you know how we always do on Velly. If we say we are following you, it means we are coming with the whole crew, with our cameras and everything. We are coming to film everything. It's a whole treat, guys. Nallem, I am dead. Now today on Wavy Velly, we've got some very special people in the building. Let's find out.